I'm Tom Shorrock and this is my presenting showreel, and what better way to kick it off in the ever so predictable Mancunian weather.
What actual... When you look at a Toyota Yaris or even think about a Toyota Yaris, all I think about is old age pensioners, you know, people that drive 1 mile per hour below the speed limit, and then your typical takeaway driver. But this is just, wow, oh my. And here it is, a 2006 B7 Audi RS4. This E46 M3, without a doubt, the best aging M3 or BMW car ever made. These cars are knocking on for 20 odd years old, so I'll start to talk you through some of the cars. Obviously this is one of my absolute favourites and something that I do aspire to own one day. RS2000 with a nose cone. One thing I've always adored with these Mark 1s is the pop-up headlights. Now, I mean, look at that. I'm pretty sure you guys will love that too. Now, I like to think I know a little bit about cars and not just reviewing them. See this Mini? I bought it for £900 5 years ago, having never restored a car. But you throw yourself in at the deep end, be willing to learn a new skill set, and you end up with a restoration series such as this. Welcome back to another episode. The orange overalls are here. I look like a convict. It can only mean one thing. It's time to get a push on with the Turd Tech. You can see my breath just... These are nearly 40 years old, these carburetors. And look at them, obviously they're very patinaed. What we're doing right now is ultrasonic cleaning, and it's a process that I'll explain to you, which basically makes the carburetors go from this to just sheer utter. And you probably sat there thinking, yeah, well, anybody can present a show about cars. All you do is smile and tell everybody how fantastic everything is. Well, see this old house? I bought this in 2019 for a bargain and began hacking away at it. This supporting wall is going to go. We've found actually that the rats have been nesting right at the back end. Look at how pretty that light is. It goes all the way up and it just floods this natural stone wall and really highlights how old this cottage is. The bathroom is finally finished. I can go from crossing my legs to straightening them out. Now, one thing I've always wanted in my home is a log burning stove. And with this place dating back to circa 1890, I think it does really fit in. The key to success in this presenting malarkey is to keep it cool, be honest, and people will relate and follow and support your journey. Once again, I'm Tom Shorrock, and this is my presenting showreel.